not getting spark. Well, we are actually getting spark on this motor. Hey uncle.
Hi mate.
And the CDI's gone, I reckon. So if you come around here and fire. So here we've got our this is a 3-cylinder. We've got our, this is a fresh, brand new spark plug, so we know there's no problems there. And I've already tested everything. We'll go through and show everyone. So if you get right in there, mate, we're going to turn it over and you will see very, very weak. Very, very weak. But there is definitely spark there, but it is very weak. We've gone through and we've tested all the other electrical components, and we can go and test each cylinder. Where are you going? Come back, please. Forget your fun sticks, man. Again, very weak spark. Definitely spark, but very weak. And same one here. Cylinder number 3. Oh, I'm getting any spark there. Again, very weak, very, very weak spark. So that's just to show everyone that we are definitely having a spark issue here. So now what we're going to test is we've already gone and tested our electrical components under the flywheel. We are going to test the electrical output from the ignition coil, the ignition condenser, going into the CDI, and then we're going to test the pulses going into the CDI, and then the output of the CDI. So for this test we had to make a VDA tester. These cost about $100, I think Daniel was saying, and it's pretty simple. We've got our earth goes through to the earth, which is the stripe side on a capacitor, and your power goes through to the positive side on the capacitor, and in line with that circuit we've got a diode on the back side, and we have a resistor on the front side, and this converts AC charge to a direct current DC charge. So you can look up online to see how to make that, because they're not cheap, and I got all the equipment for that just from JCar. This is my old actual leads. I cut those and I just had another spare pair of leads, so we're going to plug that in, and voltage, ohms and megajoule, I don't know, amps or something. Our earth goes to the center one all the time on the comm, and the power goes in there, and we switch that on. We're measuring, this is converting it to direct current. If you didn't use this, you'd get a very strange reading, which we can probably show you as well. So what we are going to test here is our ignition. Our ignition condenser is coming through, so we're putting a red cable onto our power.